Hello guys, so here I am taking a video how to grow mangoes in your house. So any mango you bought from a supermarket, eat it, take the seed out, let it dry it for a few days so that outer shell is dried and it's easy to break it. And once you break it, you take the inner portion of the seed out. As you can see, it's dried, so it's very easy to peel it off, and there is a outer shell on the seed. Just peel it off so that the root and the stem can come out nicely without any uh, barrier. So just peel it off because it's dried, it's very easy to peel. Make sure it's peeled very nicely so that all portion are uncovered for a good growth. And then you can take any bottle or any cup or anything so that you can submerge the seed in the water. So I am taking a used Coca-Cola bottle and peel off the cover so that I can see the root growths very nicely. Just peel it off, and then you make sure that the above portion where the stem comes is upside. Then take 3 toothpicks and prick at the corners of the seed so that you don't break the middle portion, which is the growth portion where the mango seed will grow. So just make sure you put the toothpicks at the corners and the side, and the direction should be so that the above portion should remain above the water and the root portion should remain below the water. Then fill the bottle until the half seed is submerged in the water, and make sure it's not completely submerged so that the stem can grow properly. So I have grown a plant 1 week ago, and here you can see the growth of a seed and a stem. It's already grown some few leaves, I think 3 leaves, and it's a very good growth as you can see. And once the leaves are a little bit bigger, you can transplant that into the normal soil. So here is the growth after a week, after a week and a half, and then you can put it transfer into the soil. As you can see the growth of stem and the root, and hole dig a hole in the soil until the length of a root so that it's covered properly. Water it, and use the softer soil in the beginning so that it uh, the roots get the water very properly in the beginning, and then you can transplant into the normal soil. So just give it a love, care and water. Bye bye.